Hi, this is Kevin Hill, and last week we talked about mergers and acquisitions in trucking and logistics, and this week we're going to talk about the most notable venture capital deals that we've seen so far in 2019. We're going to start with Flexport, which is a digital freight forwarder. It just raised $1 billion, and yes, that's a billion with a B, a capital B, really. The values of the company at around $3 billion, and it's all going to more digitizing the freight forwarder industry, as well as customer acquisition, luring customers away from the traditional legacy players like Panalpina and Kuehne+Nagel, as well as Amazon's new freight forwarding business as well. Moving on to the digital freight brokers, we have venture capital money still pouring into the space, more on the later stage companies that are going to market and kind of expanding. So two of the notable of the pure play tech companies are Keep Trucking, which raised $145 million in a Series D round. And this is really to expand their ELD offerings, visibility in trailers and technology. Plus, they're planning on creating a load board based on ELD tracking movements. So we probably see some more of that coming into 2019, finishing up. Next is Next Trucking, which is revolutionizing the drayage movements. They're launching a new product. They raised $97 million on a Series C round. So they're launching Relay, which is automating drayage and increasing driver turns. Finishing up, we have Arrive Logistics, which is more of a hybrid, kind of a traditional brokerage melded into a technology-focused brokerage. It's Austin-based. It's a fast-growing company. They just raised $25 million last month in a Series B round. And basically, it's all about growth in human capital, more salespeople on the customer side and the carrier side, plus a lot of proprietary digital freight matching technology to make them more efficient. They also announced earlier this year that they're going to add 500 employees to a new Chattanooga office, along with their Chicago office. They're well set to expand rapidly going forward. So those are some of the most notable deals for VC, venture capital deals in 2019. Expect more going forward into the end of the year. We'll have a full recap of all the activity, all 150 M&A deals and all VC funding coming out in a special report later this month in Sonar.